everybody. Happy Monday or Tuesday, whatever day you're looking at this. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend and are happy to be back in school because I'm so happy to see all of you. So, I have some big news. We are starting our Unit 3 today. Yay! So we're getting away from like the sciencey stuff. We're getting away from like what we consider not to be geography, and we're jumping straight into it, okay? So what we are going to do is our assignment 21 is going to be our vocabulary. You can see here it is listed as an assignment in case we get confused. I didn't say this earlier, but like it's going to say optional or exit ticket. So exit tickets are, of course, required, but they are due that day, okay? This is how I'm marking you guys present in case we're not turning in assignments on those days, okay? But what we're doing today, don't worry about any of that. What we're doing today is we're going to work on our vocabulary. So I have 8 vocabulary words that you are going to have to define and put into your own words. Now I do have an example. Go ahead and hide that. So this is what your vocab sheet looks like. Okay, again, you can make it a little bit bigger if it's hard to see or anything like that. But our 8 words are going to be urbanization, migration, cash crop, territory, provenance, indigenous, which is fitting because today is Indigenous Peoples Day, multicultural, and cultural diffusion, okay? So what you're going to do is I have the definition, the exact definition of this word, but that doesn't really help some people. Like that doesn't really help me. Okay, so location is a specific point on the Earth's surface. Well, what does that mean? Well, so you're going to put it in your own words. Now, I have this box really small just because I wanted to give you all enough room to do your own stuff down here. So I put location is a specific point on the Earth's surface, but in my own words, that is simply where something is found, okay? Then you're going to give me a little picture. It can be whatever. I know when we do like landforms, one of the landforms is a delta, which of course is where the river meets out into like the lake, or not the lake, but the ocean or something. And a lot of people were like, oh, can I put a delta, like the airplane? And I was like, if that's going to help you remember what it is, sure. Okay, as long as this picture makes sense to you and you can connect it in your head, it's fine by me, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to go over these vocab words and their definitions. That way you guys can go ahead and write them in your own and then give me a picture. Again, this is just in case because sometimes it helps to hear things out loud. So, urbanization, we're going to talk about, like all of these words, we're going to talk about fairly often. We're going to talk about them quite a bit when we talk about Unit 3, okay? So that's why we're doing this, so you guys kind of know what's going on before we get to it, okay? So urbanization is the process of increasing human settlement in cities. Migration is the movement from one place to another. Cash crop is a crop produced for its commercial value rather than for the use by the grower. Territory is an organized division of a country that is not yet admitted to the full rights of a state, or in Canada's case, a province. And province is an administrative division of certain countries or empires. Indigenous means it's originating in a particular region, okay, so it's native. Multicultural is the inclusion of a variety of cultures. And cultural diffusion, our last word for today, is going to be the process by which culture is spread, okay? So what we are doing this week is today, vocab. Wednesday, we're going to do a political map. Friday, we're going to do a physical map. So this week is our intro. Next week, we get into the bread and butter, the meat, the big stuff on it, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you hit turn in when you're done. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, y'all.